So this is what a Jamaican bullfrog looks like. Yes.
If we be drinking for our mates,
this is the Jamaican bullfrog. Yep.
We gotta have a couple points.
What I'm saying is this. He's a fucking rude boy.
So you're not moving when you like catch him? Would you be putting the light around like this?
Fucking shots being fired, dog.
Look at his back. This is a Jamaican bullfrog.
Now what I'm saying is this, yeah? If you
Look
like
at his
to
back.
set up them pie,
Crusty.
then you go get the cockles.
Yes.
They're gonna come here, yeah?
Just like a regular frog, but it's a normal size.
Too much problem.
Baby running up on your shit, dog.
Yeah, that's why.
This is a Jamaican bullfrog.
They're gonna get no respect, you know what I mean?
Look at his eyes.
You can't come this
Hello,
boy,
Freddy.
you know what I mean,
His
fam?
name is Freddy.
We be saving that shit to you.
Yeah. Hey, Freddy.
Yeah.
Freddy.
Then we bust at them fucking
Freddy.
bats, you know what I mean?
Yeah, Jamaican bullfrogs are different from every other frog. They're not big leg, small leg.
Right, shot boy.
Hey, Brody.
Yes.
Ready here, right?
Jamaican bullfrog. The back look crusty.
Oi.
Hey,
What night today?
So she changed so much time.
Hey, my frog up this still. Hey, my frog up this. Real.
Jamaican bullfrog. This is what a Jamaican bullfrog look like. That's a crusty.
Oh my god. That means there have to be a lot of them around, right?
Don't they look like a... Dirty look like that.
I didn't even see that now. Don't trouble it. Yeah, make it move a little bit. Ah, go on, do it again. Don't kill it though, you know.
I'm not gonna kill it. You're videoing, right?
Yeah, I am. Oh, this is so nice. Are they dangerous?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, I don't think so. There might be some on the road that might have poison or something, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Alright.